Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we will practice English in a very easy way. I will ask questions, and I will also give answers. You just listen carefully and repeat after me. This practice will help you speak English better and with confidence. The questions are easy, and the answers are short. So, let's start our English question and answer practice.
What is your name?
My name is Emily.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Can you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling a lot.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I have been to Thailand.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading books.
Do you speak English every day?
Yes, I try to practice English every day.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I enjoy watching movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What is your father's job?
My father is a teacher.
What is your mother's job?
My mother is a doctor.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I like animals very much.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Do you like reading newspapers?
Yes, I like reading newspapers.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
What is your favorite place in your city?
My favorite place is the park.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I love learning English.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be a pilot.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am very happy today.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually go out with my friends.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
What kind of books do you read?
I like reading storybooks.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media every day.
What is your favorite app?
My favorite app is Instagram.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, I love flowers.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the rose.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I like rain very much.
What is your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day is Sunday.
What is your favorite month?
My favorite month is December.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I enjoy learning new things.
Do you like shopping online?
Yes, I shop online often.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite flavor is chocolate.
Do you like going to the park?
Yes, I like going to the park.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV sometimes.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite show is Friends.
Do you like writing?
Yes, I like writing in my free time.
Thank you, my friends, for practicing with me today. I hope this lesson helped you speak English better. Please keep practicing every day. The more you practice, the better you will become. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again in the next video. Bye for now.